Hello, I'm Shelley and Sep's behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we've got a visitor. It's Rainer and he's going to show us how to make these candles.
Hi.
To make a green candle we're going to use old wax. We need mostly green wax, but you can add a bit of yellow or white wax, and you can also add a little bit of red wax. Some candles are the colour all the way through, but this candle isn't. It isn't coloured all the way through. This means we have to take the outer surface off the candle because this doesn't melt very well. This is Rainer's metal form that he's made. Outside it's just the raw metal, inside it's been lacquered. On top is a piece of wood, a piece of metal, not a piece of wood, a piece of metal. And for every candle form there's a hole so that we can put the wick in it. The candle wax is now melted down and we're going to use a sieve and a bit of kitchen roll and we're going to filtrate the wax. This is special candle wax file. We've got some yellow, some green and a little bit of red in there. This has to go in straight away before we start to filtrate the candle wax. This gives the candle then a lovely green colour. Is the wick, and Rainer's made himself a template so that he can always make his wick exactly the same length. He's got a piece of wood here that's got a hole in it. That's just so that we can pull the wick off nice and smoothly. And today we're going to put it off and we're going to cut at 21 centimetres. Candle moulds are now ready, and once the wax has got to 66 degrees, then we're going to fill them with the fluid wax. Candles have dried. I'm going to cut off these pieces of wick. Then we're going to unscrew here, take this metal rod off, and as you can see they've shrunk a little bit, the candles, and then we're just going to take a little bit of warm wax and fill them up so it's nice and flat on the bottom. The candles are now finished. We can turn them over and get them out of the form. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Bye bye.